In Mathcad, we can generate random numbers. Let's look at simulating rolling the dice. Let's jump over to the Functions tab and then All Functions. Near the bottom, we have random numbers. Let's expand that and then scroll down. There are a number of different distributions here, such as binomial, exponential, gamma. But for a regular uniform distribution, it is the R&D function with one argument, and that's going to be the maximum value of the random number you want generated. Let's double click. And so for a single die, that would be a value of 6. I will click the Enter button, and here we get a very small number. We can try recalculating by going to the Calculation tab and then Calculate Worksheet. And here we're getting our various different numbers. But, of course, we are not getting a whole number. We need to round this up. Specifically, we need to round this up because we want to make sure that we get a number between 1 and 6. Let's go to the truncation and round off group. To do that, we can use the ceil function for the smallest integer greater than the argument that we're passing. And so let's set up our first die. We'll have D1 and then colon. Then we will use the ceil function, ceil, and then random, rnd, 6. And then we can say equal to, and this time we got a 1. Let's do that again. Let's do D2 is equal to ceil of random of 6, and that is equal to also 1 in this situation. Again, we can recalculate the worksheet. Now we're starting to get different values for each of the die. And so there you have it. That's how you can generate a random number for rolling the dice.